Good day, friends. Today's class will be interesting because we'll be talking about plant nutrition by examining the question on the board. Nitrifying bacteria are important because they A. Release nitrogen to the atmosphere, B. Convert atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia, combine ammonia with nitrogen, and D. Oxidizes ammonium salt to nitrate. So if you see this question, you may be tempted to go and pick, since it is nitrifying, you quickly pick release nitrogen. That's where examiners tempt us in picking the wrong answer. This is a very detailed question on nitrification. Let me break down this question properly. We have 4 things in nitrogen cycle. Number 1, we have what we call nitrogen fixation. Number 2, we have what we call ammonification. Number 3, we have what we call nitrification. And number 4, we have denitrification. Let me write them on the board. We have the process. The first one is nitrogen fixation. Number 2, we have this number 1. Number 2, we have what we call ammonification. Number 3, we have what we call nitrification. Number 4, we have what we call denitrification. So these are processes, and they have starting stage. The starting stage for nitrogen fixation is atmospheric nitrogen. The starting stage for ammonification is organic nitrogen. And nitrification, which is what we are discussing now, the starting stage for nitrification is ammonia or ammonium salts. When we talk about ammonium salt, it could be ammonium chloride, ammonium nitrate, ammonium compounds. And we have denitrification. The starting point for denitrification is nitrates. So these are all that you need to know before you can solve this question. So when we talk about denitrifying bacteria involves nitrification, and it involves 2 stages, nitrosomonas and nitrobacter. Let me write it here. Nitrosomonas and nitrobacter. When we talk about nitrosomonas, I gave it an acronym. Ni and ba ni na. Nitrification involves nitrosomonas, or nitrification involves 2 stages, nitrosomonas and nitrobacter, which we are discussing now. Nitrification or nitrifying bacteria involves nitrosomonas and nitrobacter. It involves the oxidation of ammonium salts to nitrites, first to nitrites and finally to nitrates. That's what I mean by monini and banana. These nitrates. So to aid our memory, nitrosomonas involve the oxidation of ammonium salt or ammonia to nitrates and to nitrites. This is nitrites, and the last one to nitrobacter to nitrates. So I hope you have gained something in this video. Nitrifying bacteria are important because they oxidizes ammonium salts to nitrates. What are ammonium salts? When cows go on the field, they will defecate, they pass out urine. Those urine and defecation are actually ammonium compound, ammonium salts. They help in fixing nitrogen to the soil. And you know, nitrogen is a macronutrient needed for plants, needed in the soil as nutrient, very essential nutrient. So let me go back to the nitrogen fixation. Those things in the nitrogen cycle that returns nitrogen, which is a macro element, an important element needed by plants in large quantity. First is nitrogen fixation. The first stage in nitrogen fixation is atmospheric nitrogen. When we talk about atmospheric nitrogen, this is talking about root nodules of leguminous plant. It helps in returning nitrogen back to the soil. We also have what we call ammonification. Ammonification, which I explained earlier, when you have urine of animals like that, they help in fixing, we call it organic nitrogen. They help in fixing nitrogen back to the soil. We also have what we call nitrification. When animals go to the field, they defecate, they pass out urine in form of ammonia, ammonium salts. They help in fixing nitrogen back to the soil. And we have what we call denitrification. Denitrification involves the conversion of nitrates. The conversion of nitrates, conversion of nitrate to nitrogen. So the only process in the nitrogen cycle that removes nitrogen from the soil is the nitrification. I hope you have gained something in this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget, monini banana, nitrosomonas monini, nitrobacter banana. See you in my next video. Bye.